Hi everyone, welcome to the world of TEFAIS. Let's quickly go through how to set up your TEFAIS Eco Excel. Start by unwrapping the metal stand. The stand is made of steel and is powder coated, ensuring strength and rust resistance. Pause the video now to identify and separate the different legs to avoid confusion. Place the back legs on the floor and align the base rack's holes with the holes on the legs. Insert the nuts and bolts as shown in the pop-up video, but don't tighten them yet. The stand is designed for compact spaces like balconies and terraces and withstands all weather conditions, rainy, winter or summer. The Eco Excel uses 90% less water than traditional gardening, making it highly water efficient. Fit the next rack the same way, followed by the last one. Now fit the front legs. Once all legs are in place, tighten the base nuts and bolts first. The stand is built to hold Dutch containers and microgreen trays only. Lift the stand by both ends and tighten the remaining nuts and bolts. Now attach the rear top legs to the rear bottom legs and secure them with the bolts that we have given. Finally, connect the top rear legs using the connecting bar as shown in the video. Your stand is now fully set up. Does it look like this? Pause and gather your Dutch containers, elbows, cocoa pit covers and microgreen trays. Insert the shorter end of the elbow into the hole and adjust the longer end according to the protrusion. Press firmly from the top. Repeat this for all Dutch containers. Cut open the cocoa pit cover and pour it into the Dutch containers. Unlike regular pots, Dutch containers have an outlet placed higher than the bottom, allowing them to store up to 2 liters of nutrient water for plants to absorb as needed. Once the cocoa pit is poured, press it gently with your hand or a shovel. Repeat this with all the Dutch containers and microgreen trays the same way. Pause and check the 2 outlet pipes, L-bend, T-bend and connecting pipe. Place the outlet pipes on each rack with their holes facing upwards. Connect the L-bend to the top rack's outlet pipe. Connect the T-bend to the middle rack's outlet pipe. Attach the connecting pipe between both the ends. You can position the water system's inlet and outlet on either side of the device, allowing flexible setup to suit your home space. Position the Dutch containers on the rack, ensuring their outlet fits perfectly into the outlet pipe to prevent leakages as shown in the pop-up video. Place the 4 microgreen trays in their designated spots. Position the 20-liter water container below the T-bend. Place the motor into the water container and plug it to the nearest socket. The motor includes an extra long 10-meter wire ensuring easy power access without worrying about the placement. Your outlet system is complete. Here's something interesting. The 20-liter water container lasts 4 to 7 days, reducing the need for frequent refills. Pause and check the inlet dripper pipe, inlet connecting pipe, and stakes. Take the inlet pipe and insert a stake between the L bend and the first dripper. Skip 2 drippers, then insert another 2 stakes. Repeat it again till the last dripper. After the last dripper, place the final stake. Please do the same for the second inlet pipe. Take the shorter connecting pipe and connect it between the L bend and T bend while making sure the drippers are facing downwards. Connect the longer inlet connecting pipe to the other side of the T bend. Place the inlet system into the stand on top of the Dutch containers as seen. Insert 2 stakes into the coco peat at either end of a Dutch container. This holds the inlet system in place. Please connect the inlet to the motor in the water container. This is how the inlet system will look once properly installed. The Eco XL comes with built-in holes to attach support strings for tall plants and creepers. No extra support needed. No need for artificial light, just place the system on a balcony or terrace and natural sunlight will do the work. And when it comes to the water part, just run the motor for 5 to 15 minutes in the morning and evening and spray water on your microgreens. That's it. This is how your system should look now. You can sow whatever seeds you want in the Dutch container and microgreen trays. Watch this clip of a fully functioning system. Enjoy. You can now grow a variety of plants, vegetables, creepers, leafy greens, microgreens and flowers all in the space itself. At TEFAIS, we believe that growing your own food should be a calm and fulfilling experience. With the Eco XL, you're not just setting up a hydroponic system, you're creating a space of harmony and peace with nature. Imagine walking around your TEFAIS Eco XL, surrounded by lush greenery, feeling the tranquility of your personal oasis. You see your plants flourishing, gently absorbing nutrient-rich water, and thriving under natural sunlight. The sound of water flowing through the system brings a sense of calm, making your garden not just a place to grow food, but a retreat from the stress of daily life. Take a deep breath, enjoy the process, and let TEFAIS bring you closer to nature, one leaf at a time. What are you waiting for? Get your very own TEFAIS Eco XL for 17% off on Amazon today. You can find the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. Happy home gardening with TEFAIS.